In our part of the world, there's usually more than enough rain to fill our rivers and reservoirs and provide all the water that our 3 million customers and our environment needs, even during warm, dry summers. We work hard all year round to keep water flowing and prepare for drier weather. We find and fix leaks quickly, give customers advice on how to save water, and we keep on investing record amounts in our reservoirs, treatment works, and over 27,000 kilometres of pipes, so they're running 24/7, and we're able to supply water whenever you need it. But occasionally, we'll see dry weather with less rain over a long period. Luckily, droughts don't happen very often, but climate change will mean more extreme weather, such as long periods with less rainfall and hotter temperatures. Some parts of our country are drier than others. And we've also got to carefully balance the amount of water we take with making sure there's enough water to protect wildlife. To prepare for this, we have a drought plan. We've developed this plan with our regulator and government. Throughout the year, we carefully monitor the water cycle and keep an eye on rainfall, river levels, our reservoirs, groundwater, and water use. So what happens when these measures show that there's less water than usual available? Well, there are 5 stages in our drought plan. We'll adapt what we do and what we ask our customers to do depending on which stage of drought we're in. During warmer periods, where people are using much more water than usual, we'll increase the amount of water we're treating and pumping to homes and businesses. During a period of developing drought, we'll work even harder to reduce leaks from our pipes. We will keep our customers updated with videos, information on social media, radio adverts, articles in the local press, or letters to home. If we do enter the drought stage, we may introduce a hosepipe ban where customers won't be able to use a hosepipe for any non-essential activities like cleaning cars, windows, or filling paddling pools. And in the unlikely event that things got more severe, we could put further restrictions in place to limit the water used for business purposes. We work closely with our regulators, government, and hundreds of organisations to develop our plan, and we're only allowed to take certain actions after approval from our regulators. This includes the application for drought permits and orders, which allow us to vary how much water we can take from the environment. These activities will always balance the need between maintaining water supplies and protecting the environment as far as possible. Water is a precious thing, and we can each play our part all year round to help make sure we don't waste it. So, use all the water you need to, but be careful not to waste it. By doing this, you can save money, help to protect your environment, and do your bit to prepare for the times when drier weather may come along. Welsh Water, your not-for-profit water company.